All right, so you made it to Orlando for Warped Tour. You've got your tickets, your ID, your sunscreen. You triple checked the allowed items on the website. You continue to refresh Reddit to see if anyone's posted anything. Now, there's only one thing to do. While the vendors, stage techs, and everyone else is finishing setting up the venue, let's start our day off with a nice cup of coffee. Go-to spot, Lineage. Go-to order, honey oat milk latte, iced, because for some reason it's still 100 degrees outside. If you're looking to grab a quick bite to eat, right next door they've got Lazy Moon Pizza. Yes, that pizza slice is as big as my face. I'm from New Jersey, so I had to cut out when I started eating it with a knife and a fork as to not get murdered by my friends. Yeah, I'm just gonna let's list a bunch of other food spots, kind of in order of chill to more expensive, a little bit more bougie as the list goes on, but feel free to pause this at any time and pick out a restaurant you want to check out. If you're looking to shop local, two of my favorite spots down the street from the venue, we've got the Cromulent Basement. It is amazing. A lot of cool local art. It is literally themed as a basement from the 90s. There's a Simpsons arcade cabinet on free play. There's a Super Nintendo. I think they got an N64, VHS tapes on play. A lot of cool stuff by some really cool local artists. If you're looking to shop local and get some local Orlando art to bring back home to show all your friends, definitely check that spot out. Honorable mention for all my spooky friends. We've got Atomic Horror down the street from the Cromulent Basement. I did a whole video on that, so link somewhere on the screen if you want to check out more information on Atomic Horror. If you're unlike me, I don't drink, so I don't spend a lot of time in bars, but here are the top 3 bars for the Orlando locals. Obviously, if you're in town for Warped Tour, you should definitely go down to Wall Street and check out Warped Pour. If you're looking to get to some more trendy sides of town, check out the Mills 50 area, where we've got my favorite dive bar, Wally's, as well as the Guest House. That's it. It's the big weekend. We'll post some videos from the actual day. If you learned something, share this with a friend, post it somewhere, do all the YouTube shit. You know what to do. Yeah, we'll see you out there. Weather looks awesome this weekend. Let's have a great weekend. Don't forget to stretch, by the way. We're all old. Stretch. We're too old to be out here, so stretch your back.